radius for each of the following circles. So number 1. So hanapin lang natin yung center and radius. So center, so alam natin na malolocate natin yan dito. Itong H and K. Now, kung negative 2 to, ito yung negative 9. So, yung H natin is opposite lagi nun. So, laging tatandaan, opposite lagi. Kung negative 2, so ang H natin will be 2. And then, kung ang K natin dito is negative 9, opposite lagi nun. So, ang K natin is 9. So, simple lang, ganun lang. And then, yung radius natin, so since itong 25 is r squared, so r squared yan eh, pero radius lang hinahanap natin. So, makuha natin, square root natin yung r squared para makuha yung radius. So, square root lang natin itong 25. So, square root ng 25 is equals to 5. So, simple lang. So, try natin itong number 2. So, yung number 2 is negative 1. So, negative 1 to. So, alam na natin magiging 1 yan. 1 yung H. And then, opposite nito is negative 8 yung K. And then, square root ng 16. Square root ng 16 is 4. So, simple lang ganun. Para malocate yung center and radius. Next, number 3. So, number 3, opposite ng it's x plus 1. So, opposite ng plus 1 is negative 1. So, yun yung H. So, opposite ng negative 11 is 11. So, ganun din sa radius. Ganun din gagawin natin sa 15. Kaso, ang 15 is not a perfect square. Hindi natin may square root yan exactly. No? Pero may square root yan. So, kung i-square root natin yan using calculator. Pero since wala naman tayong calculator, leave it na lang natin na square root 15. Square root 15 na lang. Okay? And then last. So, last will be x squared plus y plus. So, last yung 4. So, last x squared plus the quantity of y plus 13 raised to 2 or squared equals 18. So, since wala, pag ganito, pag walang kasama yung x na number, x squared agad. So, ganoon din kahit pag dito naman, pag y squared agad, automatic 0 agad yan. So, 0. So, ang h natin will be 0. And then, ang k natin is opposite ng 13. And that is negative 13. And then, radius is square root ng 18. So, square root ng 18. So, pwede pa natin ito ipaliitin. So, may factor to. So, square 9 times 2. So, 9 times 2 is equals to 18. And then, yung 9, may square root yun. So, yung 9 may square root yun, that is 3. And then, may iwan yung 2. So, ang radius natin sa number 4 is 3 square root of 2. So, pag ganito, so write the equation of the circle given the center and radius. So, baliktad naman. So, binigay yung center and yung radius natin. And, ibabalik natin siya sa equation of the circle. So, alam naman natin yung format. So, madali lang to. So, try natin yung 1. So, yung 1. Center niya ay 12 and negative 17. So, alam natin. So, it will be x. So, opposite. So, in-opposite natin siya kanina. So, opposite din natin ito pag pinalik natin sa equation. So, since positive 2. So, since positive 2, negative 12. Squared. No? And then, plus. So, laging plus yan. Plus, ganun din. Y. So, since negative 17 to, so, negative 17, opposite nun is positive 17 squared equals, so, ang radius natin is 3. So, since square root natin to kanina, ngayon, i-square naman natin. So, square ng 3 is, 3 times 3 is 9. So, this will be our equation of the circle in number 1. Then in number 2, so ganun din, x, opposite of negative 7 is positive 7 squared plus negative 2. So, magiging positive 2. So, y plus 2 squared equals, so we have, ang radius naman natin is square root of 10. So, square root of 10 times square root of 10 is 10. That's our final answer. So, next is find the equation of the circle. So, dito naman, this is an example na naka-general form siya or general equation. And then, gagawin natin siyang equation of the circle or standard equation of the circle. So, para magawa yan, so ginagamitan siya ng completing the square. So, try natin. Unang gagawin natin is pagsamahin natin yung magkakapareho ng variables. So, yung x squared at 6x, pagsasamahin natin, ayusin natin, pagtatabihin. And then, y squared and minus 4y. Pagtabihan natin para at least maganda tingnan. And then next, so sulat natin x squared plus 6x. And then, maglalagay tayo ng spacing dito. No? And then, sulat natin plus positive y squared followed by 4y, negative 4y. And then, ganun din. May spacing tayo dito. Equals so negative 12 to. So ilipat na natin siya ng equal sign sa kabila ng equal sign. So pag lumipat siya, magiging positive. So magiging positive 12. Yan, para mas malinaw. Ngayon, apply na natin yung completing the square. So para ma-apply yung completing the square, paano nga ulit yun? So yung 6x at 4, negative 4y. So i-divide natin siya into 2. And then square. I-square natin. So, try natin. So, 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Diba? 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And then, i-square natin. So, what yan is 9. So, that will be our 9 yung magiging answer natin dito. Sa blank. Then, din sa kabila. So, divided by 2. Negative 4 divided by 2 is, negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. And then, square natin. Square, and we got 4. So, sulat natin. X squared plus 6x plus 9. So, parenthesis na natin para hindi malito. Plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 12. So, since nagdagdag tayo ng 9 at 4, so dapat sa kabila din, maglagay tayo ng 9. So, plus 9 plus 4. So, ganun lagi yung rules. Pag nagdagdag tayo dito sa kabila, so dapat kailangan magdagdag din tayo sa kabila ng equal sign. So, solve natin. So, magiging 25. 12 plus 9 plus 4 is 25. So, ito naman, ang gagawin natin dito. So, ang gagawin natin is, first, unahin muna natin itong x plus 6x. X squared plus 6x plus 9, i-factor. So, ano bang factor ng x squared plus 6x plus 9? So, x. So, mag-isip tayo ng number na ang factor ng 9 na pag pinag-plus ay sagot ay 6. So, ganun lang yung technique doon. No? So, it can be 3. Kasi, 3 plus 3 is equals to positive 6. And 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, that's why this is the factor. This is the factor of x squared plus 6x plus 9. So, ganun na yung gagawin natin sa kabila. So, ano yung factor ng y squared minus 4y plus 4? So, ganun din. Mag-iisip tayo ng factor ng 4, positive 4, na magiging sagot ay negative 4. It can be positive 2 and positive no. Kasi, negative 2, since negative 2, kailangan natin negative din. Negative 2 so, since negative 4 to, so, negative 2 yung gagamitin natin. Check natin. So, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And then, negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4. So, tama yung factor natin. Ngayon, so since parehas naman sila, no? Parehas lang. Pwede natin siyang i-square or i-simplify. No? So, magiging x plus 3 squared plus magiging x plus 3 3 squared plus ganun din y minus 2 squared. So, ang sagot natin will be this one. So, nakuha natin yung pinaka-format ng equation of format ng circle or equation ng circle, and that is x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. So, that's our final answer. So, our final question will be write the equation of the circle whose diameter is the line segment. Write the equation of the circle whose diameter is the line segment joining point A, negative 3 and 2, and point B, 7 and 4. So let's assume this is the point A. and this is the point B. That's point A, and this is point B. Yeah, that's point B. Now, we know that this is the center, and when we say diameter, it is a line that passes through the center point and goes through to the other side of the circle. So, paano natin mahanap yung equation ng circle using this information? So, first, hanapin muna natin yung center, no? So, dalawa lang na yung kailangan natin eh. Pag nahanap na natin yung H and K, and then radius, we're all done. We can write the equation already. Ngayon, una, hanapin muna natin H and K. So, para mahanap natin H and K, meron tayong gagamitin na formula. So, ito yung tinatawag na midpoint formula. So, paano ba ginagamit yung midpoint formula? So, yung midpoint formula is so gagamitin natin siya ng midpoint formula, and that is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So, ikaw na magsiset kung ano yung y sub 1 and y sub 2 or x sub 1, x sub 2. So, let's say this is para mas madali, x sub 1 and y sub 1, x sub 2 and y sub 2. So, mas madali. So, let's say equals, so x sub 1 is negative 3. Is negative 3. And x sub 2 is 7 over 2. Then comma. Then y sub 1 will be 2 plus y sub 2 is 4 divided by 2. Then simplify. We got negative 3 plus 7 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that's why our center, or H and K, will be 2 and 3. Okay? So we're already done with the center. Ang kulang na lang natin is radius. So to get the radius, we're gonna use another formula, and that is the distance formula. Kasi in order to get, we just need to get the distance from the center to point A, or from the center to point B. It's just the same. So it's either, ang gagamitin natin is point A, coordinates A, and then coordinates the center, or coordinates B, and then coordinates the center. We'll still have, we'll still arrive at the same answer. So try natin yung A. But first, ilagay natin yung distance formula. Let's say D is equals to x sub 2 say x sub 2. Say T x sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared all over. We're going to square it everything. And then ganun din. So is pa-plugin lang natin lahat ng coordinates. And that is, since we're going to use A, we have negative 3 and 2. And our center will be 2 and 3. So apply natin. So we have D. We have D is equals to, so first is x sub 2. Our x sub 2 will be 2. So this will be x sub 2. 2 minus x sub 1 is negative 3. So since negative 3, magiging positive 3. Squared plus y sub 2 will be 3 minus 2 y sub 2 y sub 1 squared. Then squared. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. Then square is 25. Oh no. 25 plus 3 minus 2 is 1 squared plus 1. And then we have 25 plus 6, 25 plus 1 is 26 squared. So that will be our distance between point A to the center. And also that will be our radius. Now since we already know the center, our center will is this. Our center is is 2 and 3. And then our radius is square root of 26. Now we can write the formula, or we can write the equation. So we have x, so opposite of 2 will be negative 2 squared plus y, opposite of 3 will be negative 3 squared equals, okay, squared, we're going to square the square root of 26. So square root of 26 times square root of 26 is equals to 26. So that's our answer.